Kindle will be ending store downloads and registering 1st through 5th generation Kindles, starting May 20th, 2026. I just saw this post on Reddit this morning, pretty crazy, and then they posted screenshots of the email that Amazon sent to them. Pretty crazy. And here's the TLDR, starting May 20th, 2026. You will not be able to purchase, borrow, or download additional books after that date. And if you deregister or factory reset these devices, you will not be able to re-register or use these devices in any way. And the affected devices include the Kindle 1st and 2nd generation, the Kindle DX, the Kindle Keyboard, the Kindle 4, the Kindle Touch, the Kindle 5, and the Kindle Paperwhite. Yeah. If you want to email Amazon on your Kindle, go to Settings, Help, and Contact Us. Previously, there was a feedback form there, but now there are instructions to email through a web form. It's much less tedious than typing a message on your Kindle itself. Just send an email from your computer or phone. And personally, if you're one of the many people who have problems with Update 5.19.2 and later, then you should ask for a rollback to Kindle Update 5.18.6, considering just how many bugs were added in 5.19.2 and later. And don't forget 5.19 and 5.19.1 were 2025 exclusives, so you don't need to worry about that. I know asking for revert is extremely unrealistic, but if you still have problems, it's been 50 days since 5.19.2 came out. So yeah. If you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.